Okay, so I'm going to revisit. I'm not sure what course you're talking about. When you say there's only a couple assignments, I am in your account here. So um, again, this is your account. This is your course right here, and I've clicked in there and I've opened up MindTap. And just to kind of revisit how it works, if you expand any of these here and then expand again, you're going to see any assignment below it. These are just Are You Ready topics for review. All of the assignments are going to be below each chapter. So the idea is, and you can expand everything to see them. There's a ton of stuff, but again, like we said, everything takes between 1 and 2 minutes. Some of them are a little longer, but for the most part, they're very short activities that students do to continue to practice in chunks. So the idea would be for you to, turn your edit tab on. If there's something that you don't want to use within the program, you would just hide it. So you can hide it. It gets rid of it for you. It gets rid of it for your students. So if there's anything you don't want to use, you can hide that. I'm going to filter here to auto graded only. So you want to make sure that that's on, because unless you want manually graded activities. So make sure you filter auto graded on so that the manual activities come out. And so the objective now for you to do would be to add start and end dates to everything. So what you want to do is, for instance, say this preliminary chapter. If you want the entire chapter to be completed, open at the same time and then closed at the same time, you would click here because this takes below anything with it, and you would say batch action, edit dates, and then you would add the available date. So a lot of instructors don't want students working ahead. So if it's chapter 5, they're actually going to put in when chapter 5 is covered, and then the due date. So you could do it that way. So again, I recommend clicking the doing it per chapter. If you would like me to do that for you, I'm happy to. You just have to give me a list of when you want each chapter available and when you want each chapter due. And I'm happy to do it for you. It won't take me too long at all. And I can collapse everything right here as I start to work within it. I know you only cover, I believe, to chapter 7. So what I'm going to do right now actually is I'm going to check mark every chapter beyond that. And if you don't want me to do this, let me know and I can take those off. But I believe that you cover only to chapter 7. If you only cover to chapter 6, that's fine. You can hide that after. But I'm going to go here and I've covered, and I'm going to say hide selected. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of those because I don't think you cover. If you don't cover chapter 7 too, just click here and say hide. But I'm not sure if you cover chapter 7 as well. So that is all you really need to do is, again, go into each chapter, click, again, if you want to expand it and go through each activity, you can hide what you don't want to use. Otherwise, you could just click each chapter, say when you want it due, when you want it available, and it will populate so students can see when it's due and when it's available. Again, if you want to give me a list of when each chapter should be available and when you want each chapter due, I'm happy to do it for you. As far as the students enrolling into your class, you can print the student instructions right here, or you can go to Manage Courses here, where you can also print the student instructions. But all students actually need is the URL. Oops, hold on. I got kicked out of your uh, account. If you go to Manage Courses, there's a URL right there, and that's all you actually need to give students to get into your course. But all the instructions are right there. And if you want me to email you those instead, let me know. So I hope that this helps clarify everything for you. So I'm not sure what assignments you were mentioning when you said that there were only a couple, but this is your account and this is where it all lives. So let me know what questions you have.